If you're considering Dixa for your business, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a purchase. We'll take a closer look at what sets Dixa apart from other help desk solutions, how it can streamline customer support, and some of its limitations. Stick around to the end to see if it's the right fit for your business. The first thing to know about Dixa is its multi-channel support. Unlike many competitors, Dixa integrates email, chat, phone, and social media all in one platform, making it easier for teams to manage communication across various channels. This unified system can help eliminate silos and reduce response times, but it's important to note that the user interface can feel a bit overwhelming initially. The second thing is its focus on collaboration. Dixa has built-in tools that help teams collaborate, such as shared notes, internal chat, and the ability to assign tickets between agents. This is great for improving internal communication, but larger teams may find that some of these features need further customization to fit their workflow. Next up, Dixa offers powerful automation options. The platform supports automating ticket routing, responses, and workflows, which can save time and increase efficiency. However, Dixa's automation options may not be as advanced as those offered by more specialized platforms like Zendesk, particularly when it comes to complex workflows. The fourth thing you need to know is Dixa's reporting and analytics. While it provides essential metrics like ticket volume and customer satisfaction scores, it's not as customizable as competitors like Freshdesk, which offers more in-depth reporting options for businesses that need specific insights. The fifth thing is its pricing structure. Dixa offers tiered pricing, but its entry-level plan can be quite pricey compared to other help desk solutions, especially for smaller businesses. This makes it more suitable for mid to large enterprises, where the features justify the cost. Next thing, integrations. Dixa supports a variety of third-party integrations, from CRM systems to project management tools. While it covers most major platforms, it might not offer the same depth of integrations that something like HubSpot or Zoho Desk can provide. If you rely on niche tools, you may run into limitations. The seventh point is the customization options. Dixa provides a fair amount of customization, including branded customer portals and adjustable workflows, which is a huge plus. But some users may find the customization process slightly complicated without dedicated support. The eighth thing to know is how Dixa handles customer support. While the platform provides 24/7 support, the response times can sometimes be slower than you'd expect for a premium service. If you're comparing it to services like Intercom, which offer live chat and more instant support, Dixa may fall short in that regard. The ninth thing is the user experience. While Dixa's interface is sleek and modern, it can feel a bit cluttered for new users. Compared to something like Freshservice, which offers a more intuitive design, you might need a bit more time to get familiar with Dixa's layout. The 10th point is the knowledge base. Dixa does have a knowledge base, but it's not as comprehensive or easy to navigate as some of its competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk. If self-service is a key priority for your customers, this could be a drawback. The 11th thing to keep in mind is its mobile app. Dixa's mobile app is decent, but it doesn't offer the same level of functionality as its desktop version. If your team works on the go often, you may find the app a bit limiting. And the 12th and final thing to consider is the scalability of Dixa. It's a solid option for growing businesses, but as you scale, you may need to carefully assess whether the cost and feature set align with your changing needs. Competitors like Zoho Desk offer more flexibility in terms of growth and additional features. So, Dixa is definitely a strong contender in the help desk space, especially for companies looking for an all-in-one platform that brings together multiple communication channels. But if you're looking for a more affordable, flexible solution with deeper integrations and more advanced automation, we recommend checking out our preferred solution that you can try for free.